Your dog can't stay calm at home. This step-by-step method will completely change its behavior. Most owners make one mistake. They try to control energy instead of guiding it. Easy, settle down. Whoa, not like that. Let me show you the correct way that actually works. Good boy, come here gently. First, we reduce excess energy using controlled movement. All right, let's go for a walk. Good pace, stay focused. Keep your pace slow. Fast movement increases excitement. See how the dog slows down with you? This keeps them calm. Now stop completely and wait for your dog to relax. Don't talk or react, just wait patiently. Moment your dog relaxes, reward immediately. Good, relax, yes. This teaches your dog that calm behavior brings rewards. Good sit, yes, good boy. See? Calm gets the treat. Repeat this again and again for consistency. Sit, good boy. Up, good boy. Sit, good boy. All right, buddy, show him what you can do. Yes, good sit. You're such a smart dog. Now, let's take a little walk. Say it once, clearly and calmly. Good dog. If your dog moves, gently reset, no anger. Your energy must stay calm at all times. All right, buddy, let's go. That's it, watch me. Good boy. Come on, let's go. Now increase duration slowly.
If dog stays, reward immediately.
This builds trust and discipline. Now reduce treats slowly and use praise.
Dogs follow your energy more than your words.
Good boy, watch me. Yes, follow my energy. Great job. Now increase duration slowly. Hold it right there. Good boy. Take one step back while maintaining control. Good boy, follow me. Good stay. If dog stays, reward immediately. Yes, good boy. Here you go. This builds trust and discipline.
Now reduce treats slowly and use praise.
Good boy! Yes, good job. Such a good dog.
Now your dog starts understanding calm behavior.
No jumping, no rushing, just control. Good, heel with me now. Steady pace, good control. Excellent, that's the way. Heel. Good boy. Consistency every day brings real results. Within days, your dog becomes calmer at home.
Now your dog listens and stays calm naturally.
Follow this method daily and your dog will stay calm. Follow for real training guides.